Hey, it's Ray the Video Guy here, and I just received this lavalier microphone that works on smartphones and camcorders directly from PowerDeWise. Now, this is the microphone that I'm actually using right now to record this video, and we're going to do an unboxing right now.
He's Ray the Video Guy, yeah, Ray the Video Guy. His YouTube ninja tricks can make your marketing so sick. He's Ray the Video Guy, yeah, Ray the Video Guy.
Okay, so here we are with the new PowerDeWise smart lavalier microphone that works on your computer. It also works on your smartphones, your tablets, and your traditional video cameras. And right now we're going to do a quick unboxing, show you what comes inside, so you can see exactly what you get with this product. Okay, so we're going to open this box up here. And inside, the first thing that we're going to find is a nice little bag that they include. And on the bag is a comment card that you can use to let them know how they're doing. You also have this little sleeve that we're going to take off here. And underneath, you'll find the bag with the PowerDeWise logo on there. And if we flip that over, they actually have a saying on the back that says, words can change lives, record them perfectly. And that's exactly what we want to do, is to record these perfectly. So let's open this up and take a look at what comes inside. So inside, the first thing we have is this little envelope that has a couple of adapters in there, and we'll talk about that in a minute. We also have a cleaning cloth that you can use for cleaning your lenses. Not sure what that has to do with microphones, but it is well appreciated. So put that down here for a moment. And then, of course, we've got the cables and the microphone. Now, this here is the lavalier microphone, and you can see it's a good-sized microphone with a nice, strong clip on there. That's an issue that we've had with other microphones in the past, is some of the clips that they use are made of plastic and really cheap. This is a very good, sturdy clip that holds on nicely, and it's the one I'm using right now to record this. I've got this attached to my shirt as I make this video. Now, on this side here, you'll see that you have the plug that goes into your phone, or the adapter of your phone if you're using an iPhone that goes into a lightning port, or you've got a phone that goes into a USB-C. This is where you would plug that into the adapter and the adapter into the phone. And what you can see here is that there are 3 rings, 1, 2, and 3 on this that tells you that this is the one that goes into your smartphone. Okay, and so this is a nice, I believe this is a 6.5 foot cord here. And while that's not super long, the good news is it actually comes with an extender, and the extender is another 6.5 feet. And so what you end up getting is you get 13 feet of cord, which is a really good size. Some of the other microphones that we've seen have really short cords, and that's no good. And we've seen ones with super long cords, which kind of get in the way. So the fact that you can use this and decide whether or not you want to use all 13 feet is really, really good. All you have to do is plug the microphone cord into the extender, and now you've got your 13 feet. So that's a really, really good feature in there. Now, the other thing about this is down here we have the adapter that I talked about here. And so we're going to open this up, and we've got a few things inside the little packet here. First is you get 3 wind muffs, which is good because we tend to lose these quite often. So the fact that there are 3 of these is a very good feature. And also, we've got this adapter right here. So the way that this microphone works is many microphones will start off being able to plug into your traditional video cameras, and will have this type of plug here with only 2 rings. That's what's called a TRS plug. And this, which plugs into your computer or into your smartphone, has 3 of these, which is called TRRS. And so if you're going to plug this into your smartphone, you would plug in directly using the 3-prong. And if you want to plug into a traditional camera, you would actually add this adapter, and then that way you could plug this into your traditional camera, and you would get a nice sound on there as well. Most microphones come with the TRS, and you need to go out and find an adapter. So the fact that they've reversed this, made it smartphone first, and then add the adapter for regular cameras, is very, very useful. Now, as you can hear, this microphone sounds great, comes with a lot of great pieces here, and it gives you, like I said, 3 of the wind muffs. It gives you the bag to hold everything in, which is really nice. And of course, you get the extra lens cloth here just to clean off your lens while you're shooting. So overall, I really like the PowerDeWise Lavalier microphone. This is great for anybody that's shooting on their cell phone, but it's also great for anybody that wants to shoot on traditional cameras or directly on your computer, because I've used it there as well. It sounds great. It comes with everything that you need. The fact that you've got an extender cable so that you can decide whether you want to have a nice long cable or if you only need a short cable is very, very useful. The extra wind muffs are always very helpful. So if you're looking for a microphone, I highly recommend you check out this microphone, the PowerDeWise Lavalier microphone for smartphones, computers, and traditional cameras. Hey, it's Ray again, and thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this, well, we have an entire channel filled with videos that are going to help you with your video production and marketing. In fact, I've picked out a video right here that you could start watching right away. And if you are just getting started with video marketing, we have an entire starter pack that you can get for free by clicking over here. So we hope you check that out, and we'll see you in the next video.